The herbal superdrug is as close to the fountain of youth as you can get. We can undoubtedly say that during the past few years, there is an increasing of the awareness of people when it comes to their hormones and their function. The hormones are responsible for the regulation of everything in the human body, starting from our overall daily mood to how we age over decades. In fact, hormones have a great role in how our body looks and feels. For example, the cortisol is a hormone released into the body as a result of stress. When released, it causes inflammation and oxidative stress. The processed foods and chemical cleaning products that we use every day can create stress on the body, which in turn triggers the release of cortisol, leading to hormonal imbalance. This causes weight retention and increases the risk of diabetes and heart disease. There are many conventional products on the market that claim to control hormones like cortisol, but unfortunately, they contain unnatural ingredients which can cause many side effects. So, the best thing you should do is opt for a natural solution. For thousands of years, ashwagandha root was used in India and Africa. This super healthy herb is considered as the fountain of youth. This powerful root has many health benefits. It can boost your immunity, slow the aging process, and leave you looking energetic and youthful. Adaptogen, the active compound in ashwagandha, has powerful anti-aging properties. As you can see by its name, it can adapt to what the body needs. So, if you are stressed out, or have hyperthyroid issues such as Graves' disease, ashwagandha can help you to lower hormonal production. In addition, if you suffer from lower hormonal production, such as producing less testosterone, men aging, or Hashimoto's disease, hypothyroid issues, ashwagandha will also work to raise hormonal production. Ashwagandha can be very beneficial for treating immune deficiency, stress, low energy, diabetes, anxiety and/or depression, sexual potency, inflammation, stamina and vitality, endurance, acne, ashwagandha and cancer. It is really amazing that ashwagandha has the ability to effectively treat and prevent cancer. Even though this is not scientifically proven yet, many tests showed positive results. Ashwagandha has potent antioxidant and immune-boosting properties that can reduce cancerous cells from forming and spreading. It can be very effective for patients undergoing chemotherapy, because the poisonous chemical used in chemo can only destroy the immune system of the patient and eventually lead to sickness and even life-ending infections. It is shown that cancer patients who took ashwagandha on a daily basis experienced greater energy levels. All you have to do is add 5 to 10 milligrams to 1 cup of warm milk. Substitutes like nut milk or a smoothie are acceptable modern adaptations. You can also use capsules, but make sure to purchase GMO-free, organic ashwagandha because they are most efficient and safest. A quick note from our founder. Over the past year, my friend Dave at Paleo Hacks has been working on a secret cookbook with world-renowned low cordon bleu chef Peter Servold. Well, today this new incredible paleo cookbook is finally available to be shipped right to your door for free. That's right, as a special launch promotion, we're offering our brand new paleo fat loss cookbook to you for free. Chef Pete lost 60 pounds using these recipes. All you have to do is just cover a small shipping cost. International shipping is a bit more. Get your free copy of Paleo Eats here. Grab this today, because we only ordered a small batch of these cookbooks for this freebie promotion, and they will sell out fast.